section again, 2.7.3. Certainly I'm looking at the question. It's a familiar question. We just finished this problem set. I want to go back to it. There's a point to this, and the point is SAGE can be very difficult to deal with, whereas your brain, if you're starting to think about things, hopefully your brain is starting to adjust to this, realizing that your brain's pretty powerful. By the way, at reasoning, right? SAGE is much more powerful at computation now. But anyway, let's type in this problem here, see if we can handle it. It looks like a simple problem. As you remember, it was kind of perplexing though. X is a variable. I'll type the equation in. I'll just simply say equation 1. I'll assign it what I'm witnessing over here. That's x squared plus 5x. That's 5 star x, by the way, plus 5. I'm going to raise it to the power. Let's see, what power am I going to raise it to? X squared minus 10x. That's 10 star x plus 21. And that is equal to 1. And then I'm going to ask SAGE to solve it. I'm going to solve equation 1 for x. It gives me back the same equation, by the way. So what I want to claim over here is it's probably not able to do this thing with the tools I'm using here. Now someone can say, could you use something else in SAGE? SAGE is a very extensible language. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying I don't have the skill set to do it. But what I do have a skill set to do is to define a function now. And I'm just going to do a copy. I'm going to copy this thing over here, and I'm going to just simply assign a function this thing over here. And I'm going to, just play around with it. And the question is, what do you play around with? Numbers, all right? So the numbers I say are solutions to this over here, looking at it, remember, we went through the work. I'll just put down -4, and that should give me the number 1. It does. F of -3 should give me the number 1. F of -1 should give me the number 1. F of 3 should give me the number 1. F of 7 should give me the number 1. And they're all doing that, all right? So I want to point out it's a really good computational system. Well, if I put 10 in there, certainly it's going to compute the number for me. Not a big number, but it computed it. You can see how quickly it did that, all right? That's not the point of it, though. The point is your reasoning skills are quite good. You definitely want to hone your reasoning skills, but you also don't want to exhaust yourself with computation, and that's where computers really are helpful. All right, thank you for paying attention.